Hello everyone. In today's video, we are going to discuss a case study based question for class 9 from the chapter Surface Area and Volume. So it goes like this. Dave was doing an experiment to find radius r of the sphere. For this, he took a cylindrical container with radius r equal to 7 cm and height 10 cm. He filled the container almost half by water as shown in the left figure. So you can hear he has filled the container with the water. After that, he dropped the yellow sphere in the container. You can see he has dropped the yellow sphere in this container. Now he observed, as shown in the right figure, water level in the container rises from A to B, that is 3.4 centimeter. When he dropped the ball into the container, the water has raised from here to here, that is 3.4 centimeter water has been raised. So first question, what is the approximate radius of the sphere? We need to find the radius of the sphere. So here we know that they have given in this figure the radius of the cylinder is given as 7 centimeter, height of this water level that they have given as 10 centimeter, okay, and after that here they have given that a ball is dropped into the cylinder, then water level rises. So volume of this ball is same as volume of water from here to here, from this point A to point B. You have studied in physics the Archimedes principle. Whenever an object is immersed fully or partially in a fluid, it experiences an upward force which is equal to weight of the object displaced. So here the volume of the sphere will be equal to volume of water from the point A to B. So here the volume of the water from the point A to B, we can apply the formula of volume of cylinder because it is in the cylindrical shape. So volume of cylinder I know as pi r square h, and volume of sphere is 4 by 3 pi r cube. So pi and pi you can cancel, and the radius of the cylinder is 7 centimeter. So 7 square, height we can take as 3.40 because here the height is 3.40. The water level from the point A to B, the height is 3.40. Again 4 by 3 into r cube we have to find out. So when you cross multiply this, we have 49 into 3.40 into 3 divided by 4. This will give you r cube. So when you simplify this, you will be getting r cube as 124.9, which is approximately equal to 125, and cube root of 125 is nothing but r is cube root of 125. Cube root of 125 is 5 centimeter. They have asked approximate. So cube radius of the sphere is 5 centimeter. Next we need to find what is the volume of the cylinder. Again, volume of the cylinder formula is pi r square h, and the radius they have given as for the cylinder, the radius is 22 by 7. Radius in the figure they have shown it is 7 centimeter and height is 10 centimeter. So we can write radius is 7 centimeter and height is 10 centimeter. 1 7 will get cancelled. So when you simplify this, 22 into 7 is 1154 into 10 is 1540 centimeter cube. So that is the volume of the cylinder. Next is volume of the sphere. Just now we got volume of the radius of the sphere is 5 centimeter. So volume of the sphere formula is 4 by 3 pi r cube. We can simplify this 4 by 3 into 22 by 7 into 5 cube. When you simplify this, you will be getting 523.8 centimeter cube. So the answer is 523.8 centimeter cube. So next question, how many liters of water can be filled in the full container? So the height of the cylinder is h and radius height of the cylinder h they have given as 10 centimeter, Radius is given as 7 centimeter. Just now we have seen volume of the cylinder, that is equal to 1540 centimeter cube. But here they have given in liters. Also they have given 1 liter is 1000 centimeter cube. So to convert this much centimeter cube is nothing but divide by 1000. So we have 1.54 liters. So the answer is 1.54 liters. Next one, what is the surface area of the sphere? Surface area of the sphere formula is 4 pi r square. 4 into 22 by 7 into radius of the sphere we got as pi square. So when you simplify this, we'll be getting 314.3 meter square. Thank you for watching my video.